Hello everyone, welcome to Ideabox Creations. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can create a custom WooCommerce checkout page using Elementor and PowerPack. For this, make sure you have these three plugins installed and activated on your website: Elementor, PowerPack, and of course WooCommerce. Once you have them set up, let's start our checkout page customization. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard and go to Pages. Now click on your WooCommerce checkout page and click on the Edit button. Once the page loads, first of all remove the shortcode. If you are using the Gutenberg editor, you can remove the shortcode block entirely. Go ahead and update the page, and once the page is updated, click on Edit with Elementor button. Since we'll be rebuilding our checkout page, feel free to make any customizations to this page such as changing the layout, structure, etc. Now to add the WooCommerce Checkout widget by PowerPack, look for Checkout. Make sure you see the double P icon at the top right corner of the widget. That means PowerPack's checkout widget. Simply drag and drop the widget on the page. As soon as you'll drop the widget, you'll see the checkout window opening up right away. If you do not have any products in your cart, there's a chance you will not be able to see this checkout page right now. So if you do not see a checkout window like the one that is being displayed on the page right now, go ahead and add a few products in your cart and it will work just fine. Now let's start our customization. In the content tab, you get multiple options such as layout, billing details, additional information, your order, coupon, and payment. Let's start with the layout subsection. You can go with 1 or 2 columns layout. If you go with the 2-column layout, you can choose the responsive stacking options and the width and column gap for both columns individually. For the billing details, you can change the section title, alignment, and form item name and placeholder for each item individually. For example, if I want to edit this phone field here, I can open the phone field option and change it to any custom text and placeholder I want. Now coming to additional information subsection, you can hide or display this entire section using this toggle button. If you want to enable it, you can customize section title, alignment, and the items. For the order review section or the your order section, you can change the section title and the alignment completely. If you have coupons enabled in your WooCommerce settings, you'll see the coupon subsection here as well. You can change the section title and the link text for the coupon area. And finally, for the last subsection, which is the payment subsection, you can make customization to the message text and the link text. Further, if you want to make any changes to the alignment, you can do that too. And that wraps it up for the content settings for the Woo Checkout widget. Let's check out the styling settings for the same. Simply click on the Style tab, and here you can make changes to sections, columns, input fields, coupon bar, headings, billing details, additional information section, review order, payment method, and the purchase button. For the sections, you can change the background type, border width, border color, border radius, box shadow, spacing, and even padding. All these options are pretty standard, and if you have ever used Elementor to customize any other widget, you will know how to use these options. Let's head over to the column subsection. Here you can make changes to the background type, color, border radius, border padding for both columns individually. For example, if I only want to add background color just to the first column, here's how I can do that. Since I like the design of the columns right now I have on the website, I'll just leave them as is. Jumping on to the next section, which is the input section. Here you can change the text alignment, typography, color, background color, border settings, spacing, padding, and height. For the next section or the coupon bar section, you get multiple options to customize it as per your likings. You can change the coupon toggle option settings, the coupon form settings, the coupon form layout, and the coupon form button. For each option, you can play with the text color, background color, design, typography, images, box shadow, and padding. Here, I'm making some quick adjustment to make the coupon section blend in with the other sections. Now the next heading subsection is quite smaller one, but covers all the headings in the checkout page such as billing details, your order, and additional information. Here you can change the headings color, typography and spacing easily. Now for the billing details subsection, you can customize the section, background type, border, box shadow, inputs, border radius and the input labels as well. The next subsection is the additional information subsection. Here you can change the background type, border type, box shadow, typography, size, spacing, padding, etc. Like the rest of the styling settings, all the options here are pretty straightforward and easy to play with, and you can make the changes that you want in no time. Now for the review order table, you can make similar adjustments but for a table such as table cell settings, table typography, table head, table footer, table body. All these subsections can be adjusted easily. You can change the background color, text color, typography from the settings available. Now jumping to our last second subsection, which is the payment method subsection. Here you can make changes to the background type, border type, typography, color for label, message, privacy policy, terms and conditions, links separately. Now moving on to the last subsection of the styling tab, the purchase button. Here you can make all the changes that you can imagine to the purchase now button or the place order button. You can start with typography, customize the width of the button, adjust margins, background color, text color, border type, border radius, padding, and even the box shadow. And that is all the customization options that you get with the Woo Checkout widget. Once you have made all the changes, click on the update button to make the changes live. With the customizations we made in this video, this is what our custom Woo Checkout widget looks like. Let me know what you think of the Woo Checkout widget. If you found this video useful, do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more Elementor related content. Thank you for watching.